Hello and welcome. This is Principles of Accounting, and I am Professor Smith. And what I'm planning to do is give you just a quick overview of the important areas of Canvas that I want you to make sure to get familiar with sooner than later, so that you can find all of your assignments and information that you need to know. So the first page, I'm here in a student view. This is how it should look when you open up Principles of Accounting, and it opens up to the syllabus. So the printed out syllabus that you got is the same that's online, so you can always refer back to it to get information that you need. And the course criteria, the grading, the important information about who to go for additional help or support services, and what is and is not allowed in class. Also at the end of the syllabus is a linked summary of all the assignments. So if you click on any of these links, they go directly to the assignment in Canvas. And of course that changes if any due dates change or if anything is added. Next, I want to show you the modules section, because this is really the easiest place that you can go to see what we will be doing from week to week. I've organized it according to chapters. And so as I post homework, notes from class that I do in class, I'll post here after class. If I have any additional resources for you or quizzes, they're posted by chapter if you go to modules. Also, you see here that this first week you have a discussion that you'll need to participate in. It's called the Accounting Profession Reflection. And so once it's posted after the 24th, you'll be able to come in here to discussions and respond to the question that I've asked here. Another really important tool is if you come over to the side here and click on Calendar. We don't really have a whole lot due in August. Let's go to September. You can get kind of a big picture view of when assignments are due in green. If you have more than one class in Canvas, which I know this semester you will, your classes will all show up here over on the right, and you can unclick and click the classes that you want to include on your schedule, all at the same time or one at a time. And that is all that I was hoping to show you, and please get acquainted with Canvas. We'll be using it a lot, and I hope that you will find it a useful tool as well. One other area that I want to make sure to mention that I almost forgot is if you go to grades, you'll be able to see as I post grades, your score that you receive will fill in here to each of the grading lines. And you can even do, as we get closer to midterm or final, you can even click on it and add in a predicted score to estimate what your grade would be. And so as the semester moves along, this grading page will really become more important. Okay, so that's it, and I'm looking forward to working with you in Principles of Accounting, and have a wonderful day.